Hello everyone, my name is Anna. Welcome to my garden. So today we're planting raspberries in pots. So about a week ago I ordered some bare root raspberries from the MIGARDENER website and I received them this morning. I wasn't for sure what to expect, so when I opened the package, the bare root raspberries came in a little plastic bag with some wood chips inside. I was confused because there was no tag on the outside. I was like, oh no, how do I know which one is which one? But in the inside of the baggie, they had a little tag with the description of the plant. I did order some seeds. I couldn't help myself. I had to. So right now the raspberries are soaking. So bare root raspberries, as soon as you get them, you need to put them in water and just plant them as soon as possible because they're not in soil, you know, the roots are gonna dry out. So you wanna do that as soon as possible. So mine are soaking and let me show you how I'm gonna plant them. Okay, so we are ready to plant. Here I have a 20-inch pot with a lot of drainage holes because raspberries don't like to be sitting in soggy soil. So drainage is very important. So for the recipe, I'm gonna use 30% compost, 30% potting soil, 30% peat moss, and 10% perlite, with some soil acidifier to drop the pH of my soil because raspberries do like a little bit of acidity in their soil. And I will finish it with some baritone, a fertilizer for my plant. So let's get started. So I'm gonna add some potting soil. I'm gonna do it in two parts. I'm gonna do half, mix it around, and then do the other half. And you can water in between too. You can do half of the soil mix, water, and then add the other half and then water. And the soil acidifier. Now let's give it a mix. That is compost too. I just had a little bit left over, so I'm just gonna use it. That way it's not just chilling in my garden shed. Just add the fertilizer. Give it a little mix. And then we plant. Let's start with Annie. So this is how the plant came. Just a little stick. But I gave it a little scratch and it's still green, so that's a good sign. Let me just remove all of the wood chips that was in the bag. They kind of got stuck in the roots. Okay, so it needs to go a little bit deeper. Okay, I think that's good. So you don't want to plant it too deep. You want to just be just at the level of the roots. There you go. My little plant. This is like a little stick. But hopefully it does good. I will keep you updated when I see the first little shoot. So now let's do double gold raspberry. Let's move this guy to the side. So I'm gonna do the same thing. It's the same pot with good drainage. It has like 12 drainage holes. So let's get to work. So I am all done. All I have to do is water them and apply mulch. I just don't have any mulch right now. I have to go buy some. But when you apply mulch to your raspberries, it's good to avoid the base of the plant, because if you put mulch all around it, really close to it, that can cause rot. So we want to avoid that. We want to give our bare root raspberry the best chances to grow. So now I'm gonna find a good sunny spot in the garden and watch them grow. So I picked these two raspberries because of their color. So I struggle with birds in the garden. And I read somewhere in Google that the color, like this one, Annie, is kind of like a whitish yellow, and this one is kind of like a gold orangey color, so the birds struggle to see them. So I like that because I have a lot of birds in the garden. So that's why I picked them, just so I can try them. And they say that they're really nice, that they taste really good and sweet. So yeah, I think that is it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.